Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to install the Formfic app on your Webflow site. To do that, you need to go to Marketplace, Apps, and on the search bar, you need to look for Formfic. And here is Formfic. You click it, you install app. It will now take you to an authorization area where you will see all your existing websites. And you need to select the website here and click Authorize App. And it will take you to your Webflow dashboard. From here, you click apps, you click Formfic and launch. So there you go. The Formfic app is now launched. On our next videos, we will share how to connect Formfic with all these different integrations. Thank you so much.